Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook if you forgot the pin code and cannot restore it on your computer. Before I show you the solution, I want to mention that we have a separate video on our channel where I give you a step-by-step instruction on how to restore your pin code in just several minutes, so try it out. If it doesn't work for you, try this instead. So once you reach this sign-in screen, which you cannot go through, you have to press the combination of CTRL-L Shift, left shift and R keys at the same time, which will open up this window where you're gonna have to click restart, and once you click restart, you'll be able to power wash your device entirely. So on the following page you have to select Power Wash and then simply wait until the factory reset operation is performed on your computer. And that's basically the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.